Hey there, thinkers, come and see a shadow mystery with Sparkie. When light shines bright from far away, something blocks it in its way. A dark shape forms upon the ground. That's a shadow you have found. Light moves straight, it doesn't bend. From start to finish, end to end, like invisible arrows flying through space, till something stops them in their place. Some things block it, opaque and strong. No light gets through, it can't go wrong. Transparent lets it travel through. Translucent makes a fuzzy view. Your shadow matches what blocks the light. Try your hands, it's such a sight. Make a bird or dinosaur. Shadow shapes can be much more. Moving close, it grows up tall. Step back far, it gets quite small. Distance changes what you see. That's shadow science geometry. In the morning, shadows stretch out long. At noon, they shrink and don't stay long. As Earth spins around throughout the day, your shadow dances far away. Way up high in space so wide, the moon and Earth can line up just right, blocking sun